The last time the Galaxy S line received a battery upgrade was with the Galaxy S22 Ultra, which saw a slight increase in capacity over the S21 Ultra. Samsung is likely to carefully consider production costs, especially since Qualcomm intends to raise the price of its Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 application processor. The power efficiency of the display in 8 Gen 4 will be critical. Interestingly, the Galaxy S24 Ultra's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip showed significant improvements in battery life during testing. Even though the battery capacity remains the same for the S25 Ultra, there is a good chance that the S24 Ultra will offer an extended battery life. While the company has previously received criticism for its Exynos CPUs, it seems that they are making progress in the right manner. Meanwhile, Samsung may be making some significant adjustments for the next Galaxy S26. The Exynos 2400 is a substantial upgrade over prior versions, due in part to AMD's strong GPU. Nevertheless, there are reports that Samsung may abandon AMD and build their own in-house GPU for the Galaxy S26. According to Roland Quant, Samsung is working on the next-generation Exynos chip, which will include an RDNA-based GPU. However, the South Korean company is also planning to release its own smartphone processor for the Galaxy S26, complete with its own in-house GPU. This indicates that Samsung will no longer depend on AMD GPUs in their products. Samsung has made significant efforts to develop a strong and efficient processor for the Galaxy S25. They are even using their second-generation 3nm process node for fabrication. Rumors suggest that this new chip is so significant that Samsung may give it a new name and discontinue the Exynos branding. To accomplish this, Samsung has assembled a team of over 1,000 engineers to work alongside the System LSI team on code development and optimization. If they do succeed, it will be a watershed moment for the company. What can we anticipate from the new Galaxy S25 lineup? Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.